Before I even start with question 9, one thing that you should remember is that you can't solve this with integration by substitution, because the derivative of 8x is just 8. So we're going to use integration by parts. The integral of u dv is equal to uv minus the integral of v du. This is the integration by parts formula. Another formula that's good to know is that the integral of sine x dx is equal to negative cosine x plus c. Similarly, if it's a composite function, the integral of sine u du is equal to negative cosine u plus c. Now, for integration by part, I'm going to make the most complicated part of my integral the dv and then integrate it. So the integral of dv is equal to the integral of sine 8x dx. Now, to make the integrand easier to integrate, I'm going to multiply by 8 and divide by 8. So I made it integrable. The integral of dv, undo the derivative, so it's going to be v, because the inverse function. And the integral of sine x is negative cosine x, so just stack on the negative sign in front of 1/8, and it's going to be cosine 8x. So dv is equal to sine 8x dx, and v is equal to negative 1/8 cosine 8x. U is easier. U is equal to x, therefore du is equal to 1 dx. Du is equal to dx. Now we're just going to substitute. The u dv is our function, so the u dv is just the integral of x sine 8x dx. The uv is x times negative 1/8 cosine 8x minus v du. V is, so it's the minus the integral of negative 1/8 cosine 8x, and du is equal to dx. Here we go. Negative x over 8 cosine 8x minus a negative is positive, so it's positive 1/8 cosine 8x dx. Notice the way it's written. I made a space for my 8, which is the derivative of 8x, and then I multiply and divide by 8. I did not change the integral. Negative x over 8 cosine 8x plus 1 over 8 times 8, 64. The integral of cosine u du is equal to sine u plus c. Therefore, we're gonna have sine 8x, u is equal to 8x plus c. Looking over, the correct answer is B. See you for question 10.